Hey there. It's been a minute since I filmed over here, so I'm almost completely out of sorts. Today, I am unboxing a bunch of friend mail from one of my YouTube gal pals, Laura the Camachilica, and I'm just so grateful because she's a great friend. So stick around after the break and we'll be right back. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your favorite fragrance, skincare, makeup, handbags, your cup of coffee that you probably spent $5 on. Actually, I think it's $6.75 now. The last time I ordered one was this morning and it was $6.75. I didn't even notice it. Poppy, my Chug, is over there playing with her toys, so please excuse her. Pickles is taking a nap, so you probably won't hear her right now, but we are back over here in front of the luxury goods. Here to unbox, film, reveal the gift mail I got. And I am remiss that this actually arrived, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago probably. And I put it under my tree because I don't get a lot of gifts anymore that I don't have some sort of input in. So like the gifts I get from the hubs or even from family, they'll usually ask me what I want and they get to give me what I want, right? So when I get surprises like this, I tend to want to savor them, and so I'll put them under the tree, wait for them to, you know, to open them when I have some time and can really get the joy out of them. As per usual, I take way too much time, you know, going about working and everything, and I just get sidetracked. Like, Steph and I haven't opened our Christmas presents yet. I'm filming this right now on the evening of New Year's Day. He had to work today. We still have not opened any of our Christmas presents. We went to our respective families' houses, and we had, you know, the hubbub of the holidays, and we usually put aside our gifts and our celebration now until New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve it was a busy day. I had to work. It was just a lot, so we didn't open presents. New Year's Day, he had to work, and here we are. So I thought I would take New Year's Day, since I'm alone here, to go ahead and open up the gift I got from Laura. So that was a long intro to talk about why we're here. I'm here with two ginormous boxes. So this one came first, and this is already appears to be an excessively large and thoughtful, just from the packaging. And then can't even lift it. Let me put it down. And this arrived. My husband comes in and goes, "What did you order?" I go, "I didn't order anything. What are you talking about?" And I saw the label, and I'm like, "Oh, I think that's the thing that was coming from Laura." So I was like, "Wow, okay, that's massive." So, you know, let's go into that one first, because I think it's just the abundant sufficiency of yes, it is. It's the abundant sufficiency of packing material. And they went over and beyond with the packing material. So it's just a box within here. Right? Yeah. There's this. Open me last, keep it a surprise. Okay, yeah, that's what we'll do. Now I can use this as my table, this giant box, for everything else. So we have, shout out to Bloomingdale's though, with their really careful packaging. That's good to know. I ordered something from Saks and shipped it to one of my friends across the country, and they did a horrible job. Not pleased. So yeah, I wasn't thrilled. This is beautiful. They do a beautiful job. That is beautiful packaging. Let us see. Yeah, that is beautiful packaging. Even Nordstrom isn't packaging as nice as it used to. And I used to love getting Nordstrom gift wrap. This is nice. I gotta keep that in my mental note for next year when I'm shopping to order from Bloomingdale's. We don't have them here in Oregon, but now I know. Wow, and they like wrap it with, so you don't see what it is. Bloomingdale's is Santa. I like it. All right, let's see. Let's see what this is. They might be ripping the packaging though. Uh-oh. That's okay. Oh, it's one of the glass house things again. Poppy just got really excited because I'm like, isn't that cute, Mama? Let's get in here. I don't think it's a pug thing though. It is The Night Before Christmas. Dancing Sugar Plums. Soy Candle. And interior fragrance. Sounds lovely. Oh, that's pretty. That is really nice. I'm going to just put that, just push my coffee aside slightly. Put that like that. All right, awesome. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you, Laura. You know that's my weakness, candles. Fragrance candles. Oh wow, yeah, the box wafting is beautiful. That's a beautiful scent. All right, let's get into this. The goodie box. That's what I'm gonna call it. Again, all I've done is zip with the box opener. I have no idea what's inside except for beautiful tissue paper. It's so, I love it. So many pretty gifts. All right, and I've got a little card. Oh, I love it. Love it. That's beautiful. Thank you. Okay, let's see if I can situate myself and get these out. There's no, I can tell that I need to do this in any order, so let's just rip. Let's go in and be a kid on Christmas morning. This looks like art that I'm very excited about. I love art. Thinking about redoing my background. I might take down some of my stuff. Oh, this is so cute. It's not you, Miha. That's so cute. Chanel, Gucci, Prada. I love Frenchie. Oh, que bonito. I love it. Oh, that's so cute. I might have to redo my background back there. Put it, figure out other wall space to get some art done. That is so cute. I love it. And this looks very cute. What do you think, puppy? Is it for you? What do you think? Maybe, Miha. You never know. It could be. I gotta go tip your dad's. Dad forgot lunch today, so I have to go run him some lunch. He works an odd shift, 11 to 8 p.m. today, so it's gonna be an interesting one. All right, I see annual ornament. Miha, no. Oh, I think I see Swarovski. I see Swarovski. I love sparkly Swarovski. And she knows I love Christmas. Miha, stop. I know it's not a pug. They don't do the annual, but they had a pug figurine one year. I still haven't picked it up. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look, Mama. I know. Love how they package it. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Look at that. That is gracias, amiga. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. Oh, I love the sparkle. Very beautiful. Oh no, now I'm gonna have to start collecting these. Dang it. Just kidding. But no, seriously though, I think these might have to be something I start getting into, because that is beyond gorgeous. Beyond beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. That was so kind of you. I love it all. I love that picture. That is so cute. I've just been so thankful to have met everyone. I know met quotes. I need to get my booty to Texas and actually give hugs and meet Laura in person. I feel like I've known her for years. I do. But, you know, face to face. But it's still like, this is a great community where we've met lots of people. You know, Dee Dee Bean's there, Delene, Yoshia Lux. Great. The Dress Amigas, if you watch them, I'll link their channels all down below and their content. They're beautiful ladies. I met Lucinda, who's in that region as well, in Chicago. Wonderful people. Jackie's down there. She's like, that whole area, I just need to get down there and see everybody. I think it would be really fun to just hang out and meet up in person and just have a good old time. And, you know, we all have the same luxury illness. So it would be fun to hang out, go shopping, and just, you know, have fun, because that's what it's all about. So, muchas gracias, amiga. I love everything. I hope to see you soon, and I hope you liked everything I sent you too. And I will see you all soon. I'm taking a little bit of a break, but I'll be back. I'll be back soon. So, you know, before you know it, probably sooner than I think. But I just need a week. All right. Have a great rest of your day. I hope you had a great holiday. I hope if you got things for the holiday, you got everything you wanted. And if you didn't, you returned it and you got what you wanted. Good luck to you if you are braving the crowds and the returns and the shopping and everything. It was certainly an experience this year for me, but it was still a pleasant time. So I hope you have a great January, and I hope 2026 is going to treat you all fabulously. So take care. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.